Hi! Today we are going to make a bumblebee. Now get your yarn and your crochet hook and let's get started. For our materials, we will need a yellow, pink, black, and white yarn, our crochet hook, safety eyes, needle, and some stuffings. We will start by making a magic ring. Click the info card above for a slow and more detailed guide on how to make a magic ring. Round 1, we will start with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. To tighten, we will pull the tail. Let's make a slip stitch on the first single crochet and chain 1. And now for our round 2, we will start on the first stitch where we made our slip stitch. We'll make 6 increase, 1 and 2 single crochet in each stitch for a total of 12 stitches. Since I don't use any stitch marker, we will count 2 stitches from the last round and skip it and make a slip stitch on the first single crochet. That means that's our first stitch of the row. Make a slip stitch and chain 1. For our round 3, we will make 1 single crochet and an increase for 6 times. We start from the very first stitch where we made our slip stitch, 1 and an increase. Skip 2 stitches again and make a slip stitch on the next stitch. Slip stitch and chain 1. For our round 3, we will start again from the first stitch where we made our slip stitch, 1 increase and 2 single crochet for 6 times. Skip 2 stitches and make a slip stitch and chain 1. For round 5, we will make 24 single crochets and we will change our yarn to black at the last single crochet. And for our last single crochet, we will pull the yellow yarn and we will get the black yarn to finish our single crochet. We will pull the yarn over through the loop and we will make our slip stitch and chain 1 with our black yarn. So skip 2 stitches and make a slip stitch and chain 1. For our round 6, we will make 24 single crochets, slip stitch and chain 1 with our black yarn for a total of 24 stitches. For round 7, we will make 24 single crochets and we will change our yarn back to yellow at the last single crochet. For our last single crochet, we will pull the black yarn and we will get our yellow yarn, which we didn't cut the yarn, so it's easier to change colors. So we will pull the yarn over to our black yarn. We will make our slip stitch with our yellow yarn and chain 1. For round 8, we will make 24 single crochets with our yellow yarn, slip stitch and chain 1 for a total of 24 stitches. And for our round 9, we will make 24 single crochets and we will change our yarn back to black again at the last single crochet. Again, to change color, we will pull the yellow yarn and we will take the black yarn which we didn't cut, yarn over, insert to the yellow yarn and make a slip stitch with our black yarn and chain 1. For round 10, we will make 24 single crochets with our black yarn, slip stitch and chain 1. And for our round 11, we'll make 24 single crochets and this will be our last change of color to yellow at the last single crochet. Let's change color by pulling the last black yarn, get the yellow yarn, pull it through the loops, make a slip stitch and chain 1. Now for our round 12, we will make 24 single crochets, slip stitch and chain 1 for a total of 24 stitches. After round 12, we will sew our pink yarn for the blush, 4 stitches from the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4 from one side and 1, 2, 3, 4 to the other side. We will sew our pink blush first because it's much easier without having the safety eyes first, because sometimes safety eyes blocks the stitches. So we will put our blush and then we will put our safety eyes. And now we will put our safety eyes. So we will place it above the blush. So we'll just count 1 from the inner stitch, from one side and to the other side. And now let's proceed to our round 13. This time we will start decreasing. We will make a decrease and 2 single crochet for 6 times. If you're new to crochet, you can click the info card above for a slow and more detailed guide on how to make a decrease. Skip 2 stitches and make a slip stitch and chain 1. After round 13, we will start putting some stuffings. Let's keep on decreasing. We will make 1 single crochet and a decrease for 6 times, slip stitch and chain 1 for our round 14. For round 15, we will make 6 decrease and a slip stitch. After round 15, we will just sew the rest. And now we have our bumblebee's body. Next, we will make our wings. To make our wings, we will start by making a magic ring. We will make 6 single crochets in magic ring, slip stitch, and chain 1. And for round 2, we will just make 6 increase and a slip stitch. And after that, we will cut our yarn. Make sure to do that 2 times so we have 2 wings for our bumblebee. And now that we got our wings, we will sew them in the middle of the body. So make sure you got the center of the body, and we will just put it in the next stitch. Now we got our first wing. Let's put the next one. We will place it here by having 1 stitch across each other. Now the wings are all there. This time, we will make a smiley. And now we have our bumblebee. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye!